there's an original Epilän Konepaja later. This looks very amazing. 10% 8 times. I would also like to maybe later on see the Floor-Gauge emotional.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right, well after the
Kaakkuri86 can go to right.
Yeah.
Sure. Epilän Konepaja, very beautiful. Built in 1961, turning 60 years old in 2021. That means it will be inspected that year. What about the basement floor?
Oh.
You can go there. 10 persons, 8 regulars and 4 floors. E485. This is very rare.
Yeah.
Rare and amazing. Basement works. Sometimes it's locked off.
Yeah, completely original.
Oh yes. It still is.
Yeah.
And today is the 28th of August 2009.
Yeah.
Well,
Kouvola.
it was just... Oh, it was March. I thought it was 8. No, it was in March it was inspected.
Kouvola is actually a really good elevator filming place.
Oh yes, and Kuusankoski definitely is.
Yeah. And also Kouvola there.
Yeah, the tallest classic, the pop-out,
Yeah.
and gated and a lot more.
Yeah.
It definitely is. Very interesting setting of filming. Even if it is quite ugly, of course, but it's very interesting.
The shaft lights are on.
Yeah. I think also Imatra is not so bad.
Yeah, but this is much better.
But
Yeah.
this is much
There's
better.
not a lot of old elevators.
Yeah.
Or like older
This
than
is-
60s.
And this is like bigger. I mean, Kouvola is much bigger. It's almost 100,000 people. So it is one of the biggest towns in Finland.
Yeah. Yeah, the element biggest in population. Inspecta by Kiwa, Inspecta by Otis.
Yeah.
Temperatures already on kilometers.
Yes. Now I'd maybe like to see the floor indicator.
Yeah.
I can try to turn it on. And these Epilän Konepaja elevators have a red call button.
Yeah.
They also have them in Tampere,
Yeah.
like Kalevantie. From 1956 and 1960. But 56 has been modernized in 1985.
Okay.
I mean 95. Sorry. And it is quite big, 10 persons capacity.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's enough.